Are you looking for a brush that something versatile that you can wear all day, that style fit well and super comfy? I can also relate for some of us women emphasize finding the right size, since many of women like me wear the wrong one. Finally guys, worry no more. For that matter, this product is Front Laps Bra Buckle Push-Up Lingerie. This product is made of wool natural fabric, adjustable new items. I'm pretty sure that you will feel this guys, same as what I feel. I'm very impressed. This product will hold your breast tight. I see the quality is right to its price. I love the design guys. It's wireless. Option can be a game changer. It will provide support without discomfort of underwires, and its super stylish look. It will give the sexy vibe and touch of elegance. In choosing a bra guys, I always make sure that it will fit on me, that will feel me comfort, snug but not tight, that it should not feel it digging into my skin. As I open the parcel guys, I'm so impressed after I see and touch the product. Love its look, texture, colors, everything on it. I'm so glad I found this as I visit AliExpress shopping store, and it's affordable. I don't hesitate to purchase it. Overall, I'm satisfied guys for what I bought. It's highly recommended guys.